Hey, what's up guys? So I've been wanting to do this review for a little bit now. Figured I'd get it out of the way. I'm actually kind of surprised I didn't do it sooner, even though I wanted to do it a lot, for a while. This is Rockstar 2x Energy. It's a low carb but high caffeinated Rockstar. This one, I don't know why there's almost no reviews for it, and I most certainly don't know why it's not more popular. It's probably the most common high caffeinated drink with a total of 320 milligrams of caffeine per can. Then they're not kidding. If you do the contents over here, it's 160 milligrams. But the serving size is 2, so everything else is double. So that means there's 320 milligrams of caffeine, 2,000 milligrams of taurine, 150, 50 and 50, and there's a total of 1 gram of sugar, or 2 grams rather. So it's really not too much sugar. The ingredients is extremely easy. It's a small little box that can fit right in my frame. You can probably read it. Overall, this is just a very amazing amazing energy drink right here. It even looks amazing. Like, this is one of the older ones too. This is 2010 actually. This has been out for quite some time, and I just never got around to reviewing it, which I'm really sad about, and I apologize for, because it is just, it's amazing looking. And it's also very good tasting. Caffeine 2x Energy Rockstar. I don't know why they did that, but Rockstar 2X is our strongest formulation ever. Rockstar 2X combines combines our potent blend of vitamins, herbs, and amino acids with 2 times the caffeine per ounce compared to original Rockstar. And only 15 calories per servings. Enjoy this lightly carbonated, fully refreshing energy drink, super chilled. So, this is one badass little brew. And it's also very multi, it's got a lot of colors going on. It's got, it looks like some, road, pavement all over the can, which is a really neat look. Big yellow star, and then here's my favorite part, black top with a yellow tab. I think those two probably go together the best, next to the red, but you don't expect that. You expect maybe another black tab, but it's not. It's yellow and black, kind of like a caution thing. So yeah, let's just get into this thing, because this is a really awesome drink. I have a feeling it's going to be smoking a little bit, so a little bit. You can't see it. It's on the top. It did it for like 2 seconds. Okay, so anyways, let's check out the smell. So first off, it kind of smells like some kind of it's very hard to put a scent to it. It's got a little bit of a yike. Probably the hardest part right here. The scent is kind of like a bubblegum apple. It's like a citrus. Let's see. Doesn't even have something on the ingredients that would help me out with this. But anyways, it says natural flavors. I don't know what that is. But to me, it smells kind of like a really different kind of appley pear or an apple mango, it's super faint. It's definitely not something that comes out and tells and says, hey, look, I'm mango, or I'm pear, or anything like that. It's got a very strange kind of scent, one that I've never smelt before, and I'm definitely positive I cannot put a finger on a comparison level. I have no idea what this smells like. I will be completely honest with you. You guys feel free to share your comments. There's a good chance that you guys know what this has smelt like, and I will totally agree with you. Whatever you come up with, we'll go with that, because I can't think of anything. So if you figure it out, you let me know. But it smells kind of like, I can't do it. I can't do it. I cannot put a finger on it. It smells like something, but I don't really want to say it. Okay, so what we have here is a much brighter yellow than your normal Red Bull kind of yellow. As you can see, it's fizzing. So it's just super yellow, almost like speed yellow. But hopefully maybe the taste will help us out here. So let's go for it. Wow. Definitely the most different tasting energy drink I've ever tasted. Even the taste is hard to put a finger on, but if I had to guess, this is where I knew that this was going to be easy as far as up to this. Well, what I mean is that this is the easy part. Because I knew that this was what this was. This, after a couple sips, it reminded me of like an apple. This is where I was going with the citrus apple, with the smell. Because it tastes like citrus apple. It tastes like a really sour kind of, it's a very different kind of citrus. It's not like Full Throttle. It's a very, this is where apple and pear and citrus come into it. It kind of tastes like tropical to me. It tastes kind of like excess tropical. It even looks like excess tropical. I don't really know what it is though, but it definitely is some kind of form of tropical fruit. It's so different that if you guys have never tried this before, I highly recommend it. I mean, it's bursting with caffeine. You will not find an energy drink as available as this that has so much caffeine in it. Not even Spike. Spike has like 300 and something, 340, something like that. This comes in third place as far as the high caffeinated drinks. Yeah, I take that back. Spike has 350. There's a Wired that has 344, and then there's this that comes in third place with 320 milligrams. But you can guess that you can find a Rockstar almost anywhere. So this is readily available to you to just go to the store and grab here in the U.S. I did have to do a little bit of hunting to find this one. It's a little bit of an older drink, so it's not as popular. Coconut water is almost completely gone off all the shelves. Only really crappy gas stations that have like really old stuff that they're not supposed to will have coconut water. Basically, this one's starting to become phased out too, I can see, but which is scary because this is actually really delicious and it's bursting with caffeine. I give this drink, because of its content, probably a 9.7 or 9.8. It's got a good flavor. It's a little underwhelming because of the fact that there's not a lot of sugar, nor any of the other ingredients, so it gives you that little bit of a Splenda taste to it. It even tastes exactly like XS, but it's done in such a smooth way and a really great flavor with a really nice aftertaste, and it doesn't leave your mouth feeling like you need water to drink following this, or something else to hydrate you. This doesn't kill you completely. It does have acesulfame in it, which is the sugar replacement in an energy drink. So yeah, this is overall a really good energy drink with its taste. and caffeine levels. The taste, unfortunately, I knew I was going to have a hard time with, but I definitely have to say it's an apple citrus with a little, maybe perhaps a little bit of guava, but it's so faint. It's more like they took like a jelly bean and they just like extracted the flavors of a jelly bean, like the Jelly Bellies, or the it's some kind of like pineapple-y jelly bean or something. It's you eat a bag of jelly beans and you'll see exactly what I mean. They're basically, this is really close to like some kind of jelly bean soda. It's really different, and it's some kind of something along the fruit line. I can't think of it, but if you guys have any ideas at all of what this is like, please feel free to comment. I would love comments and other things, and likes and favorites and stuff, and just, you know, talk to me in general. I love conversation. So yeah, this has been TPX reviews for Rockstar 2 times energy extra caffeine. I've been wanting to do this for a very long time, just never got around to it, and yeah, just overall a really kick-ass looking drink and a really tasty one, and it's really powerful. So all in all, you really can't go wrong with this drink. If you see it, grab it. If you don't have it, maybe I'll send it to you, especially if you're one of the lucky friends of mine. So yeah, thanks very much for watching, guys. I'll see you next time. Peace out.